Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena. Today we're gonna do the North American style twin class uncut suspension, interior setup, and chassis ringing force. Are you ready? Let's go! Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so today's video will be two parts. The first part will be install all these gears and wheel shaft and bearings, and the second will be the uncut suspension, the bottom support, and to do the ringing force. And this is the part I never released yet, so hopefully the people will like that. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so now we install all the wheels, shaft, and gears, and now we're gonna start doing our uncut suspension bottom support and to ringing force this whole uncut version suspensions. All right, so let's start our part 2. Okay, so now you guys can see we do the uncut suspension, the chassis ringing force right now, and also we put the front brake and the rear brake right now. So here you can see the suspension still works perfectly. Okay, so here this is today's North American style twin class setup, chassis ringing force. All right, so I will see you next time.